Hello everyone, welcome to Visual Global. I got launching wheels from Seamax and I want to install into my boat here. I got a mount here and this has to be mounted right there, like that. And I'm start drawing the line here using a carpenter square and just line up with the groove here to make sure it's a perfect perpendicular 90 degrees, and draw the line here, drop down about 1 inch 3/4 and draw one line here. And now we're going to put these brackets on using this line here and the stop line here. I'll mark the hole here. There you go. We got one here, one right there. Do another one, same thing this size. 90 degree here. And scratch the line. And drop down 1 inch and 3/4 right here. Put these brackets on. And straight line and stop point right there. Do the same thing the bottom. Now we have two holes. Okay, let's drill using a 5/16 drill bit. Well, safety first. Add RTV into this hole here, just to make sure that it's watertight. I'm going to spread a little bit outside here, just to seal up the gap between the plate and the transom. Add some silicone in here with this end bowl here, just to make sure it's watertight. Okay, we add some more RTV here to shield up again. To make sure there's watertight. Same thing bottom. Just to make sure there's no water leaking inside here. Add some washer here. Using a deep socket, 1/2 inch. Clean up a little bit on RTV here. Okay, it looks good. This bolt comes with the kit, and it looks like it's too long. I might trim it off. Then I can put this cap on to protect from a sharp edge and penetrate the PVC tube here. We cut it off about measure from here out ½ inch. And we'll add some RTV on this side. Same thing other side.
Nobody else, nobody else, nobody else, nobody else.
Okay, it all look good. Do some cleanup out here. Clean up the RTV. Okay, I'm gonna install the shaft. Spacer in, install the wheel, put another spacer on, metal washer, then the lock pin. Add these wheels on. What's in this wheel so big? This is the one I have that have 12 inches wide. It's pretty big. Okay, put them on. Put this spacer on and metal washer and locking pin. Pull this 2 pin down to lift them up. Lift these wheels up. Pretty much just all for installation. If you find these videos useful, please consider hit the like and subscribe for the next video. See ya.